So, you're looking to start an LLC in Texas. We've got you covered. We'll walk you through the 5 most important steps to set up your Texas LLC and show you how it can take only a few minutes to file. Bonus, we'll show you a few shortcuts and how you might be able to reduce or eliminate those formation fees. So, these are the 5 main steps to form your LLC in Texas, starting with step 1, choosing a name. This first step is deceptively important since naming issues are actually the primary cause of LLC filing rejections in Texas. Of course, you want a name you love, but you should also follow these rules. The name should end with limited liability company, limited co, LLC, or LC. Avoid names that suggest your LLC is a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any other business requiring special licensing. Avoid using any words that imply you're a different business entity, such as corp, inc, nonprofit, etc. And your chosen name must be unique and different from all existing names. And to find important links and learn more about the naming guidelines set by the Texas Secretary of State, you can visit our Texas formation page. You can easily check the availability of your chosen name for free by conducting a Texas business name search through the Texas portal online or by calling this number. Pro tip, calling often gets you more up-to-date and detailed information, and if you call early in the morning, there isn't much of a wait either. Once you confirm it's available, it's a good idea to secure the domain for your LLC's website ASAP. You can click the link below to check domain availability and get an automatic deal for a $5 domain. And even if you don't build your website immediately, registering the URL early is a wise move. Step 2, finding a resident agent. The second step involves finding a resident agent, also known as a registered agent. This person or business entity will receive important legal documents on behalf of your LLC, such as notices from the government or legal actions against your business. The agent must have a physical address in Texas or be an entity authorized to conduct business in the state. You can be your own registered agent, or you can appoint a friend or family member for this role, and they'll need to sign a quick consent statement called the Acceptance of Consent Form 401A, but you don't need to file it with the state. Just remember, the name and address of the registered agent will become public record, and no, you can't get around it by using a PO box or a mail service like UPS. Paying for a formation service is about $10 a month or less, and besides the privacy, it saves on hours you could be dedicating to your business. If you use Northwest, they'll provide agent services to you for free for 1 year. We like them. They've been doing this for over 20 years, and every piece of mail you get, they actually scan, and you can see yourself through your online account. That link is below. Step 3, this is the big one. This is filing your LLC Certificate of Formation, also known as the Articles of Organization. This document includes crucial information such as your LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, and whether the LLC will be managed by members or managers. To file your LLC Certificate of Formation, you'll need to complete Form 205 and pay a filing fee of $300 at the time of making this video. However, if you're out of state, you'll need to file Form 304 instead, and with a filing fee of $750. There are 3 ways to file your LLC Certificate of Formation in Texas. The quickest option is to file online through the Texas Secretary of State's website. We highly recommend this method as it typically takes around 13 to 15 business days for approval. Alternatively, you can download Form 205, fill it out, and mail it to this address, and you can expect a response in 4 to 8 weeks. Faxing the completed form to this number or delivering it by courier to this address are also valid options. Here's the pro tip that's special to Texas. If you're a veteran, you may be eligible to file for free. Simply obtain a veteran verification letter, complete Form 05904, which is a certification of a new veteran-owned business, and submit it along with Form 205. In addition, your franchise tax will be waived for up to 5 years. Step 4, creating an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by Texas law, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines important details about your LLC's ownership structure and operating rules. It covers aspects such as members' rights and responsibilities, profit distribution, and internal procedures. It keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes conflict. Some banks may ask for one along with a business plan when you open a business bank account or pursue loans. And to make things easier for you, we've provided a free operating agreement template on our formation page, and you'll find it right below this section. We've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5, obtaining an EIN. The final step is to obtain an LLC EIN, which is a federal tax identification number. This unique number allows the IRS to identify and track your business's tax and filing status, and you'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and to hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge. Fill out the online form, and we've included the official link on the Texas Guide for your convenience. Here are a few post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are some things to keep in mind. Keep your business assets and transactions separate from personal ones to maintain the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. This is what people mean when they reference the corporate veil. This means having a separate business checking account and business credit card. Hiring an accountant can help you manage those finances effectively. You should also start building business credit, and you can find our preferred resources and cards by following the guide below. Also, having business insurance is really wise, but it's often required as all businesses face risks. Having a business website is also a must as well. If you're interested in building your website yourself, the links below will guide you. And additionally, each year, you'll need to file a Texas franchise tax report and a public information report. The franchise tax is a privilege tax for doing business in Texas and comes with liability protections provided by state law. Texas franchise tax reports are due annually by May 15th, starting the year after your LLC is formed. However, if your annual revenues are less than $1,230,000, you won't have to pay the tax, but you still need to file a no tax due report, which is Form 05163. To simplify the process, a service like Northwest can manage that for you, saving you time and effort so you can focus on actually running your business. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in Texas. All of the resources mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. We hope you found this video really useful. If you have more questions, explore the rest of our channel and our website for free resources and guides to start your Texas business. We've compiled lists of the best local Texas accountants, lawyers, and registered agents on our site. And if you have any other questions, hit us up.